I see the windmill is not sticking up there. Kind of hard on the Bronco. You don't think it hurt it much?
And if it did, so what? You know?
Yeah. Here's the top of the windmill.
Yeah. The top of the windmill's now the bottom.
That thing's been here long before I was. You know. Dad was talking about the bombers in World War II when they was making training, you know, over here. That he always thought the bombers would target this windmill. They'd come right at it. So, you know.
Really?
That was here when Grandpa bought the place in '42.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So they were trying to take the windmill out, but they couldn't get it?
Well, they weren't, you know.
I know. They wasn't dropping bombs.
They weren't dropping bombs, but they'd make practice runs over here, I guess. That's what Dad was telling me. Of course, you know, I wasn't around, but he'd tell me that.